In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Etsy. Sharing your experience as a buyer is not just helpful for the seller, but also for future shoppers like yourself. Reviews are a great way to communicate the quality of an item or the efficiency of a seller's service, and they foster a community of trust and transparency. Let's start by discussing the two ways you can write a review for a purchase on Etsy, using either the Purchases page or the Reviews tab. Remember, reviews can only be left for items bought on Etsy once the order has been marked as delivered, and you have a specific time frame, usually 100 days from the delivery date, to submit your review. To write a review through your purchases, begin by logging into your Etsy account either on your computer or through the mobile app. Once logged in, desktop users should navigate by clicking on Your Account, then selecting Purchases and Reviews. If you're using the app, look for the You option at the bottom of your screen and then tap on Purchases. These sections are essentially your personal archive for Etsy transactions, allowing you to easily track and manage your orders. When you're inside the Purchases section, scroll through your list to find the specific order you wish to review. This step is crucial, as pinpointing the right item ensures that your feedback goes to the intended recipient. Next to the order in question, you should see a button that reads Review this item or something similar. Clicking on this button will take you to the review interface. Now it's time to rate your experience. You'll see a star system on your screen where you can choose a rating from 1 to 5 stars, with 5 being the most positive. Think carefully about how the item met your expectations in quality and creativity, as well as how efficiently your item was shipped and whether the seller was responsive and helpful. After selecting your star rating, it's time to write your detailed review. This is your opportunity to describe the item quality, how the shipping process went, and any other details about the seller's service. Be honest and specific because your insight is invaluable to both the seller and other potential buyers. Etsy also gives you the option to upload a photo or video with your review. This is especially useful if you're reviewing a handmade or complex item, as visuals provide additional context to your words. Once you're satisfied with your written review and any media you've chosen to include, go ahead and submit it. Remember that once your review is published, it's visible to other users and can be updated or edited later if you need to make modifications. By following these steps, you not only provide essential feedback, but you also become part of a global community that values creativity and small business growth. Thanks for watching, and remember, every review counts.